So many times you reached out to me.